Hey everybody, it's Lex from pdq.com. Let me set the scenario for you. I just made changes to DNS. I know, everyone's like, oh no. Well, you know what? I'm going to show you how to flush DNS on everyone's machine so they get the new entries using PDQ Deploy. We're going to build a new package. The great thing, the step we're going to use is a command step. And simply ipconfig flush DNS. Now the real question is, can it flush? Yeah, no, I can't spell. ipconfig flush DNS. Spelling does matter in this case, as you all know. Let's title this flush DNS. DSN, almost did it, DNS, there we go. Title of package, flush DNS. Man, I'm gonna have to hire someone to type for me because I suck. Anyway, here it is, flush DNS, and now at this point, I can go out and deploy this once. Choose targets, go to inventory targets. We're just gonna grab, you know what, boom, everybody. There it is, deploy now, and they're off to the races. It's flushing DNS on every single one of those machines. And there, look at that, successful, successful, successful. It's that easy, guys. I'm Lex from pdq.com. Thanks for watching.